Welcome to another My Two Good Hands video. We're out in the garage. We're going to work on the TJ. It's the 01 TJ. We've got something in a box from Hooky Road, and you're going to like it. It's for storage in the back, and we're going to show you all the tools you need and everything, so stay tuned. We're going to carefully open our box here, set our knife real shallow. Hear our local peacock screaming out in the background here. You can see what these are now. These are going to go in the back by the back window. So we're going to unbox it all and open up the Jeep and show you how they fit. So we get some brackets and what have you, but and it looks like they're right and left hand. But we get zero instructions on how this goes together. Looks like it'd be easy. There's few instructions from this video, but now these are nice metal parts, which is cool. This is obvious how this goes. And it looks like they screw right in. Let's see what other hardware we've got in the bag here. Like we've got some edging to put on somewhere. Doesn't look like the edging would go on here, but it looks like it goes on the other part. Looks like we've got some long bolts and some short bolts. And we got some nuts and washers. It looks like this probably goes on here. And you probably need one short screw, one long screw. It looks like Allen wrenches. Yep, so it's Allen wrenches on here. We're going to go find the Allen wrench, let you know what size. So it is an Allen wrench, and it's 5/32 Allen wrench, so we've got that going for us. We did figure out that these go around the roll bar, and we'll show you that like this with this up top, and then this is where the screw goes to mount the unit. So we'll have to figure out where to put these, and we'll go work on that, and we'll bring you over. So the nuts are 10 millimeter, so you have to have a 10 millimeter wrench to hold those. So let's show you where we're at. So to put this in, that goes towards the front where there's no hole. We're going to have to take that screw out and this screw out. Now ours are thumb screws, and that'll put the piece up and down. Then we have to come in, set that piece in there to figure out where it is. I'm assuming the thing on the roll bar right up here, okay? That's what I'm assuming. Zip this back a little bit, be able to pull this away, and then zip it back. So we're going to test fit and we'll show you. So to get this piece in behind here, you have to come from the front backwards. You have to slide your seat all the way forward, or it hits the seat. Now we've got it. It does have openings where we'll be able to put these bolts in, so that's nice. And then we'll be able to put our other piece up here and line it up to this. So what we're going to do is we're going to bolt these in and get them started good before we work on the top. At this point, we've got our thumb screws restarted, and you can see they got a cutout here so you can still have your hooks if you have them, so that's great. Now we're going to see about getting that top piece on. This is going to have to go up there like this, with this side coming out. Looks like it's got to go this way. So we got to get the this piece up here. And then this piece goes this way against here. So we can try to get some screws through here and see if we can Get this started in here. I don't know why they gave these so long, but we'll see. I guess we'll figure that out. Pretty good. What you want to do is start that screw in there, and I think we can do that with putting this on the plate here. We're not quite down far enough. There we go. We'll put this through here. And you just take a nut and you sneak it in here with your fingers, I think. Yeah, pretty much. I sneak this up in here on this on the nut. Give it a little bit of a turn. Now it won't fall apart, but it ain't tight. But that'll allow us to turn this. You want to make sure that this is not going to rattle on your top. You want to bring this back against the roll bar. You bring this against the roll bar tight, and then you can tighten up these screws. And we're just snugging them by hand. Then you can rattle this to see if it rattles and rubs on anything. Now we're going to tighten the other screw. Then we got to sneak our wrench back here. Whoop. Once you get that on, put your socket wrench on here. My wrench come off, I think. The good news is the wrench came off the bed. The good news is the nut has serrayed, so it actually grabs in the back. You can get that nice and snug. Get that up there. You can come in here and you can see where there's a spot here where it's close. And they gave you these rubber pieces. So you can come in here and put a rubber piece on now that you know where to put it. We'll put the other one on before. It's going to be hard to put in there. So we're going to put these in on the next one before it goes in. There we go. And open this up like this. So basically, then from here, you got to tighten up this piece here to make sure this is tight, not going to move on you. Okay, then you can zip your roll bar cover back up to it. You can see how that looks nice now. So you got a little bit of rattle right there, so that's where that rubber piece has to go in there. And we're going to see, maybe we can we pull this away a little. We still got to tighten our bottom wing nuts, so we're going to get to that. And, we'll do the other side. We'll bring you back when it's done. So here you can see how the bag's attached to the bar. We haven't loaded the bags yet. There it is. So here we are behind our driver's seat. We're going to hang a couple bags. They're pretty easy to hang. Unsnap these, and we'll go tuck them through. what we can do, we won't put this one here. It'll hang here. That'll be too high, so just put our straps through here. It looks like they'll come all the way down through two of these here. And we'll come around and get it. I don't think I can reach from here. You can come through and I got a hard time snapping those, but there you go, snap that. We'll kind of pull these zippers up for now. And there you go. That's how you kind of put these on. We'll put another one on below this one that we have here. I'm going to put it right through here. That should bring it down. You see, that brings it down just low enough. And we'll be all able to put all kinds of little camping gear and stuff like that in there. So we'll get these up and we'll bring you back. So here you can get the idea of what we're doing. Looks like we got room for at least one more of those bags, maybe two more of those bags. We got our first aid kit going up there. Some small stuff for like cell phones, and we could probably put this type of bag. I could probably put 3 more of those. So maybe four more over here, at least 2 more over here. So we could do 2 here, put another one up there, and then still have room for 2 more. So 3 food. Looks like we need 5 more of that bag there to fill this out. We also got these bags, which are great for storing stuff. So there you go. Well, there you go. An easy install how-to. I had the thumb screws, so my hardtop, it's easy to take the bolts in and out. Yours might have different bolts depending on how you set yours up. Don't forget to like and subscribe, post notifications on. Links to purchase everything are down below. Don't forget, if you use the links from Amazon, you're helping support the channel through a small commission. So please like and subscribe to My Two Good Hands. Catch you in the next easy how-to.